lightly. Get any crud that's on there. Just a quick rub down just to clean any dirt and stuff. Let it dry lightly on all surfaces. I'm going to go both directions. As you can see, this just scuffs the paint up just slightly to allow better adhesion. So after it's completely done, we're rubbing alcohol on it, isopropyl alcohol, and we're going to rub off the sanding dust that we just did on there. So we have a nice clean surface. And I always then rotate the towel over just to get a cleaner surface for the final rub down. You'll notice that it does take off quite a bit of dirt when you do it. So clean it as good as possible so that you don't see any more dust or any more debris, so it's nice and clean. Then we're going to let it dry just briefly, maybe 30 seconds. Focus on this. And I would leave about half of it at the top there so you have somewhere to hold on to. But remember, per the instructions, we want about 1/4 of an inch in, so about that far in, and we want about 1/2 inch on the bottom. So we're going to be right about there on the bottom. So I would place the bottom about 1/2 inch, and then just verify 1/4 inch, a little bit extra won't hurt it. Just as long as you're not going over the rolled edge over here. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but as straight as you can be. You're just going to put it on there and just hit it all the way around the surface. If you have a roller, that's good. If you can roll it or just use your hand, just rub it back and forth. The hitch as it sits on it will also push it down. So, and we have one other one. I'm going to do this one the same way. We're going to eye it up about 1/2 inch. When you measure it here, you'll see that it's a little bit over, that's about 1/2 inch right there. And this is 1/4 inch. So we'll line it up just a little bit, twisting it, rotating it around this bottom point here until it's even right here. Pulling it off, doing the same thing. You can kind of hear it underneath sticking and unsticking. So, and that's it, all ready for hookup. As a final step, you just want to use some rubbing alcohol and just clean this off. Make sure this is also clean. You don't want any debris or any dirt or any grease on this surface as well prior to the final hookup.